Hey, my name is Gabriel Carrera, and I advertise as the attorney that rides, and I practice law here in Fort Lauderdale, where my offices are at. And one of the things that I want to bring up today is about attorneys sharing fees with non-attorneys. And there is a opinion from the Florida Bar, and it's 17.1, which states that attorneys cannot share attorney's fees with the non-attorneys. An example would be if somebody wanted to partner with me. Let's say my good friend Laura, the masseuse that rides, wanted to say, Gabe, I just got this money, I want to go half with you. Let's get a bunch of clients in here and we'll split everything 50-50. We'll be partners. And even though I'm not an attorney, I'll own half the business, you own half the business. The Florida Bar says that is not good, and it is prohibited. But it is okay for other attorneys to come in and help other attorneys and split the fees. That needs to be disclosed to the client if there's going to be. Now, I have good friends of mine who have graduated the bar, and depending on the specialty of their craft, I will bring them in to bring the win in because they got special skills or they specialize in a certain area of law, and I will bring them in on a case and we'll split the fees. But I normally give a disclosure and my client signs it acknowledging that they've been told whether it's a 60-40, a 50-50, or something to that nature. So, they're aware of how the money is going to be distributed, and it doesn't cost them anything extra in a contingency fee because it's still the same contractual amount. I just take some of what I make and give it to the other attorney for coming in and help me on the case, and that's normal. There's times you've got 5 and 6 different law firms working on one case, so it's a normal thing. And some of my clients freak out, but Gabe, I want you, nobody but you, and I love that support. I love that, but hey, I'm here for my client. The more we make, the more I make, the more my client makes. So we're gonna bring folks in, and sometimes I have to take a cut in my attorney's fee and share it with another attorney. But I need it. I need to do it because it's all about the client. I want the client to get the win, to be compensated for their injuries. So with them, I can share fees. With the rest of y'all, maybe in another life, but not this life, at least in this state, in the state of Florida. And if you like these types of videos that I've been putting out, please hit the subscribe button below so you can get notifications every time that I put out a video. And it could be about events, it could be about my rides, or it could be about the legalese and the law. If you need an attorney, what do you call ladies?
Just call Gabe.
There you go. Just call Gabe.com or attorneythatrides.com.